Hello, dear learners. Today I'm going to deliver a lecture on language acquisition versus language learning. A human child develops language by acquisition. After birth, he or she listens to a language from the surroundings. In the first language environment, children have various opportunities to pick a language. Even in their silent period, they constantly pick their respective mother tongue. They become familiar with sounds, structures, words, style, pronunciations, etc., and gradually they start speaking. By speaking, they are rewarded by the family and the society. It is possible to be able to communicate in second language by acquisition. In favorable environment, second language can be learned through acquisition. But in the unfavorable foreign condition, acquisition is not possible. Foreign condition means where the target language is not used in everyday activities. In such a condition, foreign language learners have to learn the language by conscious efforts. This is called language learning. In language learning condition, a learner has to face various challenges. He or she needs to practice the target language through various conscious efforts. This condition is also challenging for the teachers. The classroom practice has a vital role to help learners to practice English as a foreign language. There is a little chance of acquisition from the real life. However, foreign language acquisition is also possible by creating real-life situations in a classroom. In English as a foreign language, a full condition for developing 4 basic skills, the role of classroom practice is very important. The kind of language practiced in the classroom is also a matter of interest in language education. In teaching learning activities, interactions are usual phenomenon. Interactions take place between teacher and student, and student and student. To be able to communicate in English, the learner's interactions with teachers and in peer groups are necessary. To facilitate the interactions, various pair works, group works, and other language activities are usually conducted in the classroom. Thank you very much for staying with me and with my channel Cathy English Care.